How to connect microwave oven with Panasonic Kitchen Plus app. Scan the QR code to get started. After scanning the QR code, download the Panasonic Kitchen Plus app from Google Play or the App Store and open. For first-time visitors, click Get Started to set up an account. Select the type of appliance you have, like multi-oven. Select the model of HomeChef 4-in-1 multi-oven. If non-connected is your selection, you will be registered and welcome to the app. If connected is the selection you chose, you will begin the process of connecting the oven to your phone. After selecting Connected, you will be prompted to set up an account or to sign into your account. After setting up your account or signing in, you will be prompted to add your HomeChef 4-in-1 multi-oven to your account. When you click Continue, the app will begin searching for your microwave oven. Ensure your home wireless network is active and the microwave oven is within range. Plug the microwave oven into a grounded outlet. Check the display for a blinking wireless connection icon. You'll be asked if your unit is ready to connect. If you need directions, click No Help Me, and the instruction screen will pop up and tell you how to put the oven in pairing mode. If you click Yes, the app will continue to look for your oven. Make sure you have put it in pairing mode. Icon is not blinking, press the Stop Reset button for 2 seconds. When the display shows Setup Connect, press the Start Select button. When the Wi-Fi icon appears on the screen, the oven is pairing. Select Continue. The model has been found and paired. You will be shown a confirmation screen. After this confirmation screen, you can start controlling your oven with the app. Select Continue. Congratulations! You have successfully paired your HomeChef 4-in-1 multi-oven. Choose your first recipe and get cooking.